How to turn eSIM off on iPhone without deleting it. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Cellular as shown. This section lets you manage your cellular plans, data usage, and other network-related settings. In the eSIM section, you will see a list of all the cellular plans installed on your device. Now, scroll down to the eSIM section and select the eSIM that you want to temporarily disable. Simply locate and tap on the toggle switch next to turn on this line to turn it off. You have now successfully turned off your eSIM. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn off an eSIM on an iPhone without deleting it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.